Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be going over the basics of Butler. Butler is an amazing automation tool provided by Trello. This helps with basic tasks that don't need to be added or made every time. Let's get familiar with the Butler homepage. The Butler button is located right next to the Show menu button on the top right of your screen as shown here. Once you open Butler, you will be on Automation Tips. This section will auto-populate if there is a lot of activity on your board. If there is no activity, they won't be able to give you any suggestions. On the left menu, you will see Automation Tips, Rules, Card button, Board button, and a new feature of Calendar and Due Date. You can also connect to Jira and Slack if you use those programs as well. Click on the connected apps to access this feature. Let's click on Rules and begin adding a rule. Top right of Rules, there is a green button which says Create Rule. Click this button. Next, you'll be on the Trigger section. Normally there are multiple triggers shown here. Click Add Trigger. Here are the trigger options. The first trigger options are Card Move, Card Changes, Due Date, Checklists, Card Content, and Fields. There are limitless possibilities in customizing this. For our first trigger, let's click on Card Move. Select the second option where it says Added To and change this to a completed list. And also Leave by Me selected. Click the plus icon with the green circle around it. Once clicked, you'll be in a different screen, which now has more options. Next, click on Add/Remove. Here you can create other features to sync with your first trigger chosen. Click on the top section where it says Add and green label Here and Here. Click on the plus icon with the green circle once again. You can now click, hold, and drag this card over. Give it a second or two, and you can see this label has been automatically added to the card. There are a ton of possibilities with these automation triggers from Butler. You can automatically tag specific people related to the work, and so much more. We will go through more complex options in the intermediate and advanced videos. In the next video, we will go over another use case for Butler and getting more familiar with the Butler interface. Consider subscribing for more videos. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.